Did I say don't do this at home?
Oh!
Oh, all right, guys, we are here today with a very special guest, Jason Park. We pretty much wanted him to come here forever.
I've been wanting to come here for forever.
Now it's here to get lit on fire.
Hopefully.
Do not open with fire. I'll show them what to do.
Oh, God.
This is why we stink up the Braille house. I told Gabe, we'll do this video last because it's going to stink everything up. This is a bad idea.
Yeah.
Yes.
Betty's like, no.
I can just see them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no! We got a fire! Oh! We got a fire! We got a fire! Like I said, we got a fire! Oh, God.
I don't think it's out.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
What's that mess?
Ah! Oh. I am a certified fireman. I think it's out.
Aaron, you saved our lives.
It just nearly got to the board.
That was seriously a bad idea.
I found the note.
Hey, cool guys. I present you 2 bed of hot coal skateboards. Wow.
Let's get a brew.
Oh, no. Maybe all that jumping on it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They gave us tongs? Oh, no. What I was worried about is
it's all
grabbing
melted.
this and having the melted plastic hit your hands. I present to you 2 bed of coal skateboards. I was originally only planning to send 1, but was not confident the design would hold together very well.
Oh!
What?
Dude.
That is legit.
The first design, the one with the round coals, I call this fire block. After the stuff, I slathered everywhere to get the coals to stick, which I think I already ruined. I'm sorry, that was my fault. The box clearly wasn't labeled well enough.
Yeah, it said do not open with fire. It said nothing about stomping.
Which will hopefully not melt once they are lit. Igniting this one should be easy. The coals have an accelerant, so you can hit them with a quick shot from the torch, and they will take over from there.
Oh my God.
Give you these a few minutes to light fully. Also, the coals are quite brittle,
So try to be gentle.
What are we gonna do? Game of skate, hot coals?
Sounds fun. Yeah.
Let's say we light that on fire, right? And then you do like a kickflip and a hot coal like flies into your shirt.
We should
What
have got
then?
like a
The second one, the one with cubular coals.
Cubular coals.
totally cubular, bro.
Cubular.
Cubular.
Actually, I think this one's better because I think they're gonna stay on there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, they're wired in.
They're stomp resistant.
This one is called
Alright.
Smoke on the Water. After the design my friend painted on the underside, I was worried the fire block and auto light coals might be too brittle. So this is my next idea, drilling holes through the coals and wire fixing them to the board wire. I think that was the smarter idea. The board is gripped with aluminum fire resistant tape. So hopefully the whole things won't go up in flames. I'm pretty sure it's going to.
It's hopefully.
I hope it does.
Yeah, it's better.
These coals take a bit more to light. Give them some flame until they're starting to turn red, then plenty of air. Shout out to Ang at Zoomies in Middletown, New York for that deal on the first deck. Whoop whoop. Craig and Mike at Ambler Skate Shop in PA for the second deck.
Thanks, Craig.
The whole country was working on this
A
project.
lot went into this.
Matt at Sunshine Tobacco and Vape for helping with the coals. Charlotte for painting the Smoke on the Water design.
Charlotte killed it.
The pizza guy, he's possibly my favorite character on the show. Molly for being my sidekick through almost all of this nonsense. And my cousin Jason.
I swear I didn't know about this.
For no real reason except that he's an exceptionally awesome dude.
Oh my God, I had something to do with it. Thanks.
He loves you guys, and he's probably watching. Shameless self-promotion. I do not have an Instagram because I am an old guy. But my buddy and I have a band, oh yes, where we write songs about minor inconveniences.
That's amazing.
We don't have many so far, but here's a link to our latest hit about waiting for delivery pizza. This was an interesting project since there are not many YouTube tutorials on gluing charcoal to things and setting them on fire. But what I could do is to hold them together. I love what you guys are doing, spreading the love through the whole world, through skateboarding, and oh, my lawyer wanted me to make sure this was clear. Skate at your own risk. Dave Fab. So for you guys at home, never, 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 just never.
Don't do it.
Just don't do it, okay?
Don't do it.
We are trained professionals in the art of idiocy.
Obviously, yeah.
So we're gonna do this. Let's put some trucks on this.
Welcome to Braille.
Yeah, this is great.
How are my shoes?
Wow, I like that lace job.
Yeah, right?
Oh.
Well, I'm pretty sure this is what you put on coals because it says charcoal lighter. But we definitely have a lot of this. I'm just gonna soak in there. I've been reading your guys' comments and you're like, do some videos outside. And we thought it was gonna rain today. We were gonna go to Fremont and then we decided not to because it was gonna rain. So here we are, outside. See how soaked those get?
You're really lathering them up.
Like I said at the beginning, never do any of this. Please. All right, Aaron. You ready?
Flame on!
Flame on!
Boom! Gabe, really good.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Okay.
Come on,
yeah,
give
Fetty,
it
you're
a
playing. Come on, Fetty. Fetty, come on.
Ow!
Left.
Yeah. Ready? Yes!
You're first.
I'm so glad I got to go first.
That's you, Aaron.
Does that count?
Oh, there's no more fire.
There's no more fun.
What a go. This girl is on fire. I think we continue the game on board 2. This one's a lot heavier.
I didn't weigh that. Wow, that is heavy. I didn't feel the first one, but that's pretty heavy.
You said fluid it up, not drown it. You forgot these ones.
You know what?
Unappreciated.
Oh! Gabe Cruz was right about this.
It does smell.
Oh! First try! Go Fetty!
Oh dear.
Oh! Wow!
Oh damn.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
I kicked it off. It's gonna hit me in the food.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, let me take this back from the tray flip. You ready? I guess we'll count that.
On count.
Oh yeah. Sports live.
The board is lava.
Oh!
Thank God I didn't land on a hot coal.
Oh!
Did we count that? That was good.
It's funny, you stand on there to like set your feet up and it does get really warm on your legs. They are still hot. It's funny that they don't light on fire. Boom! Alright, Gabe, he's just getting used to me. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Whoa! That was sick.
Ready?
Run.
Oh!
Jeez.
Oh, dang. No. This one's for Gabe Cruz. Oh no!
Oh my God, Aaron! Dude, you almost lit on
I'm okay! I'm okay!
What? Oh! Wow!
Woo, that's hot.
Dude, just your leg hairs, are they alright?
My leg hairs are gone.
That trick doesn't work.
Wow.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey, give it up for this
like
like
Sizzler.
flame resistant tape too.
This guy who made this really knew what he was doing. Good luck, Fetty's hair leg.
Oh!
It's surprising every time.
I got back.
Oh yeah!
Oh, watch out! Watch
You see how fire it was? Oh jeez, no. My legs are sweating.
Oh!
Is that toe drag?
Count that.
Oh, dang.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
That's where it was like fully
Just on your
on
leg.
fire, yeah.
Oh, that's so sick every time.
We give Fetty the worst of it.
Whoa!
This is past the point of fun. Now it's just danger.
Oh my.
Flamed up some more.
Whoa! That's good.
Nollie?
Good, fakey.
I can't do that on a regular board.
The tape is melting.
Dude, wow.
Mine caught like the oxygen from like flipping so fast and it just.
Dude, yeah, it was all the way up to your
Whoa, wait,
genitals.
what? Whoa!
Burnt through my sock.
Did I say don't do this at home?
Oh Jesus.
Every time Aaron goes, he puts the coals out, then it's my turn.
Alright, I need a hard flip out of you this try.
A hard flip?
Yep.
I've tried 3 times
No,
and
I need
it's
a
gone.
I need a hard flip, Betty. Betty!
Betty, I can smell your leg there. Nollie?
Yeah, Nollie.
Oh no, that's hard. Okay.
Okay.
My leg is on fire.
Good. Dude.
It burnt even more. Look at
Well, Fetty, you were like setting up for like literally 5 minutes.
Oh Jesus.
I only got lighter fluid all over my pants. Hard flip.
You're trying to take out the competition.
Okay, that's it. Here we go. Dang it, Betty. Nice, kind of.
Oh. Wow.
Oh no.
This is definitely
The
one
best
for the
trick I've
wall.
ever done, and nobody got a letter.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Okay, let's do this, people. No!
It's good.
Wow, game of the century. You got this, Fetty. I won't put on much for you, okay?
Oh Jesus.
If you grill a stalefish, does
the
it
worst
become
wedgie.
unstale?
Oh, triple!
Whoa.
That was the best barrel flip I think I've ever done.
One more?
Oh, one more.
Oh,
No.
Dunzes.
The good part of it is you're not on fire. I should have done the tray revert. I don't know what I've been thinking this whole time.
Oh! Did it break?
Yeah, it broke. Play it where it lies.
Alright, give me a chance. Don't light it too much.
It did go out on that.
Means you need more fluid.
Yeah. Okay, triple it is. Play it where it lies.
That was the definition of mess.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, man.
The real winner in this competition was Smokey the Bear and fire safety. Please be safe. Never, never, never do this at home. And please follow at Jason Park Sucks on Instagram.
Yep.
And then Fetty, he's a potter. So you can follow him as well at Fetty Potter. You guys put up with a lot here today.
That was fun.
I almost light you on fire 8 times.
My leg is burning still.
Well, thanks a lot for watching. You guys should definitely check out all the other videos in the series playlist. So check that out right here. Please
We need to
subscribe,
make a
like, and leave a
unsafe
comment below.
playlist. Like the most dangerous board playlist.
True.